Hey bro, what's up? Today I want to talk about which oils to use during masturbation, tantric masturbation, aka solo practice. Well, you might say that why should I use that oil? Like a lubricant, a water-based lubricant feels much better. And probably you're right, but your body, your skin, your tissues needs oil. And the best oil that I could recommend is, this is also what I'm using, hemp oil, okay? Organic hemp oil. Make sure that whatever oil you're using, try to find the organic version. You don't want to fill all these chemicals and lead and whatnot into your penis. So I find the hemp oil the most wonderful one because it's really nurturing my penis. I feel it. The erection quality immediately increases, and so yeah, maybe it's not so much lubricant, like it's not like flowing so much when I do the solo practice. And actually when I apply it in sex, some girls don't like it because of some strange reason. Maybe they don't like the smell, or but usually it's a very nice way to tease yourself, like. So remember, tantra is about relaxing and pleasuring. It's not about rushing. It's feeling that you are the king and you deserve the best. You deserve the best quality products as well. So organic hemp oil is the best one you can find. You can also use almond oil or grapeseed oil. This will be also very, very helpful for your overall health of your penis. Okay, and if you actually combine it with some penis ring or penis pump, it's very good to stick to some really good oils. Okay, just try and see. It's really getting better. It's really getting much better. And please avoid soap. Okay, soap is very bad for your skin. I know maybe for some of you it's a habit, like you go to the shower and you do it in the shower with some soap or body gel. Like usually they are going to be not beneficial for your skin health. Okay, try to avoid these things. And remember, don't rush your masturbation. Don't make it like, oh, it's something that you're hiding, something that you need to be rushed and quick in a shower or something like that. Take your time. You are the king. Go to your bedroom, lock the door, put on some nice music and incense and candle if you want to go in that direction. Just lean back and relax, and just, you are the king and you're pleasuring yourself. You take this wonderful oil and just put it on your dick and just enjoy it, bro. All right? I'll see you in the next video.